morning children, welcome to the EBS class. Children, yesterday we have studied about different recreational activities and what is recreation. As I have explained you what is recreation, the activities which are done to relax our body and refresh the mind, they are called recreational activity. And there are different type of recreational activity. And why recreation is important? Recreation is important as it gives us energy to do the work. Today we'll study another recreational activities. Okay children, as you know, India has a rich culture, so different dances and dramas are organized in different states. Dances, dramas and song concerts can be heard during different occasions like wedding and birthdays. Apart from dances and dramas, puppet shows can be organized for recreation. Okay, and these puppet shows are based on famous stories with moral. Children and adults both enjoy puppet show and learn moral from these puppet shows. Okay, and apart from puppet shows, you might have seen circus. Have you seen circus? Have you ever gone to circus? See, in circus you might have seen girls riding cycle on single wheel, balancing cups and saucer, rope dance, and you might have seen different animals like elephant and lion playing different activity for our entertainment. But nowadays government has banned to show any activity by these endangered animals so that they cannot harm anyone. Okay, and all these activities were performed previously for entertainment, but now time has changed. But nowadays children like to watch their favorite cartoon on TV and they would like to play different games on mobile, and your mama want to utilize her free time in watching different shows and serials on the TV. On the TV there are different type of shows are telecast like comedy show, melodramas and all that. And sometimes when your papa come back from office or come back from the work, he wants to watch news on TV. So these all are the activities were used previously for recreation, but nowadays time has changed. Most of us want to pass our time at home with mobile and in watching TV. Okay children, rest of the chapter will be explained in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.